Even get to cross.
Earth. The center of the multiverse. It will belong to Brainiac. I do not plan an invasion, rather an assimilation. I have identified key junctions in Earth's vast nexus of knowledge. These I will capture and digitize first. Of course, some non-essential information may be captured as well. This will be sorted and purged once the digitizing is complete. Earth's resistance does not concern me. There is no intellect strong enough, or power brutal enough to resist me. Soon this planet and all it contains will be mine. Intriguing. There is an anomaly in Earth's atmosphere. Beginning analysis. These exobytes are my own technology, each one holding unknown stores of digitized power from Earth's future. My harvester ships will simply reclaim the data provided by these exobytes and seal Earth's fate. This is a new obstacle. These humans resist my assimilation. My conversion units cannot hold them. Let the humans use their powers. In the end, they too will belong to Brainiac.
While we're here, we need to stop this ship from abducting anyone else. And send Brainiac a message Earth isn't going to fall to Brainiac or anyone else.
You still have your weapons. Use them to get rid of the debris blocking the door. We've attracted some attention. Sentries are headed your way.
Move into position.
Here they come. Get ready for a fight. Do you really think you can hurt me?
Minor damage.
Great Krypton.
Performance impaired. Gather reinforcements. I will patrol towards the prisoner bay.
That's an overseer. They patrol parts of the ship and protect it from intruders. Like you. It won't let you pass.
It doesn't take X-ray vision to see you're up to no good.
Damage detected. Systems damaged.
I know this is a lot to ask, but we need your help. We can disable this ship if we can destroy its central AI core. Brainiac has more ships, but this one has some key systems. Taking it out will slow his invasion.
You'll find that you can always trust Oracle to know what's up. She helps the entire Justice League on our missions. That's your one free shot.
More of the Justice League have arrived to back you up. They'll draw some of Brainiac's attention.
Weapons damage.
You shouldn't try to solve your problems with violence.
Switching weapons. Repairs initiated. Repairs damage detected. Repairs initiated.
Wow, so many robots. This is a classic bad news, good news situation. The bad news is that those robots are starting to activate. The good news is that the Flash and Green Lantern are there to help you fight them. Those two have always been my favorites. Don't ever tell Batman I said that.
Hold it!
Damage sustained. Minor damage. Sustained.
Great Krypton! It'll take more than that. You found trouble! Do you really think you can hurt me?
Whooping butt at light speed!
That's your one free shot. You shouldn't try to solve your problem, but...
I asked Green Lantern and the Flash to take out the ship's main gun. Brainiac doesn't mess around. Oh, Uh-oh. These energy readings. Brainiac has a full invasion force stored on this ship. We have to destroy it.
This looks like a job for Superman.
All units move into position. Contain unit air.
Great Krypton! You shouldn't try to solve your problems with violence. Seems force is all you understand.
What are you doing in here? Minor damage.
All units move into position. Contain
If you're looking
the
for a
human.
fight, try me. Do you really think you can hurt me?
There's the ship's central AI core. You two should help Wonder Woman and Batman destroy it. But be ready, Brainiac won't be happy about it.
It'll take more than that.
Brainiac's there, just as I feared. He's one of Superman's biggest bads, but between you and the Trinity, you should be able to take him. Just hurry. The ship is starting to blow apart, and Brainiac is blocking me from opening a teleporter. Don't want our newest friend going down with the ship.
Brainiac, I won't let
protect
you
me.
do to Earth what you did to Kandor on Krypton. You won't bottle this one.
Critical damage.
That's your one free shot.
That was a mistake.
Systems failing.
Nice try.
Performance impaired.
I'd reconsider that.
Get out of my city.
Damage sustained. Do not think you have won, for I wear many shells.
Get out of my city.
I am the source.
If you're interested in joining the fight for justice, the League would be happy to teach you.
Phew, I'm impressed. You're definitely on your way to greatness. Now get out of there and I'll contact you on the ground.
Our every tactic failed. Brainiac came to Earth to destroy it. And he was winning. Then, a dying version of Earth's greatest villain brought us a weapon from the future, stolen from Brainiac himself. New heroes to withstand Brainiac. And new villains to exploit the madness. I will train these heroes to fight the sick chaos of the Joker and the evils that face us all. I am Batman, and the battle has only begun.